So we are making an accordion today.
An accordion? Accordion. It's a torture device. It's a torture device.
Okay. I know I crack a joke and everyone has to be a critic. Okay, so here we are. We're making an expandable bookshelf. So first off, this is just showing you what this is, and I'm going to show it to you the adjusted way, right? We're going to go lengthwise. So the idea is that we've got 4 pre-cut bookends, and then we've got these long slats that you need to saw. You need to measure out accurately and then cut in half, basically, okay? And so you're each going to get 3 of these lengths, and then you're going to measure out 15 inches, and then saw through them. So the point is, you're going to then nail the slats to the bottom and then to the back. And then the thing is, the tricky part is which boards get which slats. Do you see that? These outer and inner are connected, and then this inner and outer are connected. And then for the backing, same concept. Okay, so there's a little bit of trickery there that we're going to watch for. We are going to be safe. We're going to be safe in our work today.
I know where my goggles.
You got goggles? Okay.
My fingers. Goggles.
So, no. So these are goggles. See what fits. Here are the pre-cut blocks. Okay, you're going to nail them. And the idea is that you're going to want to try to get them square. Right? It would be weird to try to, I'm just going to fake this right now, to try to nail this when it's all wobbly. Right? So the trick is, we take the nail, we measure out where it sinks into the slat, and we tape it. Then we're going to take it, put that over a block, and just drive that nail in until it hits the tape. So then it's preset, right? And then we could take this, hold it over, and drive it the rest of the way through. That's one option. So we're going to do this. First of all, let's all decide on a space that we want to work in. We don't want to be working together necessarily. Silas, come grab this. I'm just going to hold on to yours.
I still got dibs on that fish.
Okay, so first of all, just hang on to that.
So you line up the 2 lines, and then you draw a line.
Wow. Power. And let's measure out. Yep. So first of all, let's just confirm. Okay. So we need 15-inch slats. And then put it to whichever is going to be your end. Yep. And find 15, so you're going to lock it. Now make sure it's flat and straight first. Is it flat and straight? Yep. Put the weight on this, as much weight as you can to hold it steady. So you're going to first go at an angle. Cut a notch. Alright, so try to hold this down as hard as you can. Oh, get your finger out of there. Right here. Right. Try not to get the hook. Just right here. Alright. Yep, draw it back. There you go. I'll help you hold it straight. Push with your arm. Yep. Up. There you go. Speed is not the thing, it's power. You push down when you saw. There you go.
Okay, so this. Or should we make this one?
We can make that one first.
Yeah, I think we should make this one first, and then we put this one
Underneath. Okay.
and then we do it.
And then we'll do the back.
If you want to use.
Yeah, can you explain again what you're doing?
Yeah. So all I did was I just measured, where it would start to strike through, and I put tape here.
Okay.
And so then they would then take their board and just nail it right on the wood, like any other piece of wood, until they got to that.
Okay.
And then you could, and then I could hand hold it. It's already in, and I don't have to hold the nail and the wood at the same time. Just hand hold this, hammer it through, and once I got 2 in, I'd flip it around. I didn't need the trick anymore because this was solid. And then, but it's it's really all about their dexterity with it too. So you can do
When you're holding the hammer, don't hold it right here close to it. Back up a little bit. So you can get a little further.
well, not rail, but just smooth. You feel this.
Okay. Good job.
That's it. No, they're all done. Get 12 nails.
So now what we need to do is the back.
Oh, I see. So we have to put one on the in. But yeah, what?
So we just need reset it. So yep, you set your nice job.
The pencil didn't really stick.
So end to end. And then this one is here. So these 2 are connected to here. Yep, but no, one goes like there. Take your hammer, find your center, and then hold it over the tape and try to hammer that through. And drive it through until it gets to the tape. Now we take it to the end. It hasn't come through yet. Now we take the tape off. Alright? And we find yours, sorry. So you do it square so the corners are touching. And you hold it, hold this. Hold this part. No, just here. And you hold it to here. Yep, go for it.
Okay. So look. The one that has 2 on the top.
Now you gotta try to drive it straight.